बाबा तू खा म्हण हे नुस्तें खा हे मेमे खा म्हण नुस्तें हातून दिता तूं गाड्या त्या भुरग्याक कॅन्सर फिश खावयता आनी सोडपाचो कोण पयशे मेळटाय पावरान रावत म्हूण आनी इले पयशे मेळटाय म्हूण सोडपाचो तेका इज इट नॉट अ क्रायम अगेन्स्ट ह्युमॅनिटी दिस गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट्स क्रायम अगेन्स्ट ह्युमॅनिटी ऑल्सो बिकॉज आय थिंक एवरीबडी इज फिश average Hindu, average Catholic, average Muslim, average whoever, whichever religion will eat fish, except the original veg guy. I think the rest everybody eats fish. So it doesn't look humanity. Otherwise, you could have targeted a party or targeted a certain section of people. So anyway, we really want Goans to have on our Congress party. We are not here to castigate the government. We are not here to criticize the government. We are here also for solutions. And solutions should be in the interest of Goa. So what about that fish that they gaadi galle? Yeah, the statistics for fish corporation ko to सांगा all assembly order उधरले मले गोंयकार आणि गोंयकार पण म्हणते Fort 14 पॉइंट झाले सोड आता आणि किती झाले? It has gone to another level, yeah.
Alex, you think that Congress has finally failed to pressurize the government or pressurize Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar to give up on his chair? Do you think you have failed in doing that? You have failed to create that much pressure on the government?
See, what happens is this is a very dicey question, and the thing is that Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar was looked upon by people that he would be a good man. According to me, I have always been criticized. I have always criticized him, and I have always told him only one thing: that if you are doing the truth, that if whatever you are doing is right, you don't have to explain. Like for example, simple thing: on the formalin, 4 months of explanation is going on. If it was no truth, no need to answer anybody. So I feel that he has certainly cheated the people of Goa. He has not performed what people wanted from Goa. So now the BJP fellows are trying to project that he is still that same man. Now they are saying that we are talking against his illness, that he being sick, that we are not this. But I feel that he being sick is not the reason why people of Goa should suffer. And that people of Goa are more important than anybody else. No, and that if you are sick and if you are a leader, I feel you should gracefully resign.
The question is, have you failed, as an opposition, failed to put that much pressure on the government? The Congress has promised saying we'll do a lot of things to put pressure on the government to ensure that this doesn't happen, that he resigns, charges handed to somebody else. Have you all failed?
I cannot answer for the party, but if you ask me personally, I think I am partly responsible. But as a party, I will not answer. I think you should ask the president. But for me, I personally feel that even in the assembly, I should have taken him much more higher than what I have taken him.